special edition spring cleaning of Mustang Morning. We're going to be sharing some spring cleaning tips about cleaning to y'all.
Okay, so today we're going to be interviewing Coach for some of his spring cleaning tips. So, do you do spring cleaning first of all? Normally?
Always spring cleaning.
What's your best tip/trick that you do?
Out with the old and with the new.
That's really cool.
Good morning, Miss Karina. Do you have any tips on spring cleaning?
Well, my tip is to get it done and don't procrastinate, because then you become a hoarder. So get it done yearly, and that's why it's called spring cleaning. So you can do it at least once a year.
Thank you for that tip.
Here's a spring cleaning tip. So you get some Pepsi and pour it in the toilet and wait overnight while you're sleeping, and it'll be all clean. So you don't have to get all your hands dirty and all that dirty work. Ugh. And get a flavor. This is wild cherry, so your bathroom smells amazing and your toilet smells like cherries. This is gonna to make our bathroom smell amazing. "24 hours later, you flush. Our toilets are good.
One good idea for a spring cleanup is to get a toothbrush and wash your parents' baseboards.
Oh man, this is so hard.
But it's definitely easier with the toothbrush because it gets off all that dirty stuff.
My spring cleaning tip is organizing your books. They can get really dusty sometimes, so you want to make sure that they are clean so you don't get sick.
My spring cleaning tip is organize your photos early, because when it comes time to put them in the yearbook, organizing 500 photos is not very easy.
My spring cleaning tip is to clean out your microwave so that way roaches don't get in it, because it's disgusting, y'all.
Man, these are some pretty old clothes that I really don't want to give away, but I could sell. You could sell them on Poshmark or just give them away. On Poshmark, you can buy and sell. No free brand deals.
One spring cleanup is to clean out any expired medicine that you have in your first aid kit. If you're a teacher, if you're just at home and you have a bag that needs to be cleaned out for your first aid kit for your children. That's all for Mustang Morning today. Have a clean and happy spring, y'all.
Stay safe, y'all.
Stay clean.
Bye.